Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix the too many attempts try again later error in Roblox. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then click on Settings. Click the Security and Privacy tab in the left-hand menu. Click Delete Browsing Data. First, you can choose the last 7 days or all time as the date. Then click Show More and check the other boxes as well. Finally, click Delete Data. I recommend restarting your computer after the data deletion process is complete. If you still encounter the same error, using a different web browser might also be a solution. I hope this tutorial video on how to fix the too many attempts try again later error in Roblox was helpful. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.